Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Forza Horizon 5 crashing step-by-step tutorial for beginners. So let's jump right into the video, and I'm just gonna show you, just disclaimer, I'm just gonna show you what worked for me, and I hope it's gonna work for you as well. I'm not showing you some general methods to fix this problem. I'm just gonna show you what worked for me when I encounter some problems similar to this one. So yeah, this method worked for me, and it's just a simple method that I worked for other games as well, not only for this one. Now obviously there are other methods that I showed you in another video. There are tons of different ways to fix crashing, such as make sure you update your drivers. And if you don't know how, make sure you search on my YouTube channel. I created some tutorials on how you can update your drivers. But yeah, in this video I'm just gonna show you a different way other than how you can update your driver. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do pretty much to fix this is to open Windows logo plus S, Windows search bar, and here in the search bar make sure you write game mode, and this is what you should see: system settings, game mode settings, and click on the best match. And now make sure you turn this off. Usually this doesn't work that well. There's some problems, like for some people will help, but just try and see if there's any difference. Strive to see if the game still crashes. Please let me know in the comment section if this worked for you, and make sure you check my YouTube channel for more tutorials. I have tons of tutorials on my YouTube channel. I love creating tutorials. And now please leave your thoughts down below, your feedback. I really want to know if this worked for you as it did for me. So thank you for watching, guys, and take care.